All right, mate. Let's have a look here. So you're in a profitable position. Yeah, sorry for the late reply. I just had a crazy busy day. Didn't really get on the charts at all, which is frustrating. So just trying to get a quick look over a few. You're looking to load more. You're in a profitable position. Yeah, I like this. I posted about it last week somewhere. I don't know when I posted about it. Someone else actually pointed it out to me, but it was down 96% from this pivot, down lows, and I was pretty frustrated that I didn't actually get in on the lows. If I would have seen that down 96%, damn, it was a beautiful thing. So, um, what I'm thinking here, that it all looks really good. It's probably going to attempt to make its way up towards the white 100 moving average. Now I'm not sure. So you're targeting above this range high. Yeah, it's a decent target. I do like it 100%. It looks very reasonable. You're targeting a pierce of this, which is into the white 100 moving average. I do like that. Are we going to get a dip? Um, okay, so if I show you NU, and it's not a great example, but if you look at this, when we push up into the blue moving average, there's still this gap above price. Um, if we look here, we push up into the blue. You can see that there was 2 days here after a strong move up. There was still 2 days of chop before getting that big move up. Now it looks a lot different when you finally get the move, but earlier it would have been a move like this, and then you just get 2 days of a pullback, and price actually held, interestingly, held the blue moving average and held above all moving averages. That dip back down into it was a buy for that push higher, and that was a big move higher the other day. Um, that's a 25% candle from here to here, and it's even bigger if you caught the dip. So what I'm trying to get at is this might not even be done today. It might actually want to push a little bit higher, but the dip back down should be a buying opportunity. It should be. So if you, for example, even if you get a dip, well, we'll just say a dip down even to 50%, or even the bottom of this candle, if there's any dip down to the bottom of that candle, you would have to start thinking it's a buying opportunity. If we look at Ocean here, and you can't see the full chart here, but you can see when we moved up, price is holding extremely well above the blue moving average and above here. But you can see when you get that move, there is that consolidation, and Ocean looks very good as well. And this consolidation should then lead to some sort of a breakup in towards these two moving averages. Um, EPS should be the same here. As you said, your target is here. If you get that dip back down, it does really look like a good opportunity. A lot of these coins love to target the white 100 moving average. Here's another example here, and this is lit. But when price breaks up to the blue 50 moving average, it struggles to fall back below it. So I know you're looking for the dip back down, because we have not broke the blue 50 moving average. So it's possible. So if you get that dip back down, then I have to think that it's a buying opportunity, because when price gets back above the 50 moving average, a lot of these coins, it holds strong. Now, if I just push even to my other screen here, Bell's another example. When you manage to get up into the blue 50, price wants to aim for the red 200 and the white 100. But again, look at this. There's 10, 15, maybe not 15, but there's 10 days above the blue moving average here, getting supported by the yellow, and it's just holding like a rock. So what I'm trying to say is, if you get that dip on EPS, I think you should take it. I might take it myself. If we get another red day off this, I might actually buy some of this myself, because in all of these coins, price in time likes to work its way up into the white 100 moving average, or at least close to it.